How can I fix my plant with white leaves?
Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to fix a plant with white leaves. If you've noticed your plant's leaves turning white, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the potential causes of white leaves and provide you with some effective solutions to bring your plant back to its vibrant and healthy self.
What causes white leaves?
Before we jump into the solutions, let's first understand what could be causing those white leaves. Here are a few common reasons. 1. Light deficiency. Insufficient light can cause leaves to lose their green color and turn white or pale. Plants need an appropriate amount of light to perform photosynthesis and produce chlorophyll. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Certain nutrient deficiencies, particularly nitrogen and magnesium, can lead to white or yellow leaves. These nutrients are crucial for the production of chlorophyll and overall plant health. 3. Pests or diseases. Some pests, such as spider mites or powdery mildew, can cause white spots or patches on leaves. Diseases like fungal infections can also result in white discoloration. 4. Environmental stress. Extreme temperatures, excessive heat, cold drafts, or sudden changes in temperature can stress plants, causing their leaves to turn white. Now that we have a better understanding of the potential causes, let's move on to the solutions.
How to fix a plant with white leaves?
Solution 1. Adjusting light conditions. If light deficiency is the culprit, you can try the following. Increase light exposure. Move your plant to a brighter location, closer to a window with indirect sunlight, or provide supplemental artificial lighting if needed. Avoid direct sunlight. While plants need light, direct sunlight can sometimes cause burns or stress, so it's best to provide filtered or indirect light. Solution 2. Addressing nutrient deficiencies. If nutrient deficiencies are causing the white leaves, here's what you can do. Fertilize your plant. Choose a balanced fertilizer or one specifically formulated to address the particular nutrient deficiency. Follow the instructions provided and avoid over-fertilizing, as it can harm the plant. Adjust pH levels. Some nutrients may not be readily available to plants if the pH of the soil is imbalanced. Test the soil pH and adjust it if necessary, following the recommended levels for your specific plant. Solution 3. Treating pests and diseases. If pests or diseases are responsible for the white leaves, take the following steps. Identify the problem. Examine the leaves closely for signs of pests or diseases. Consult a gardening resource or expert if you're unsure about the cause. Apply appropriate treatments. Treat the plant with an insecticidal soap, neem oil, or a recommended pesticide for pests. For diseases, consider using a fungicide or following appropriate treatments based on the specific issue. Solution 4. Managing environmental factors. If environmental stress is the issue, consider these tips. Maintain consistent temperatures. Avoid exposing your plant to extreme temperature fluctuations or drafts. Ensure the plant is in a suitable temperature range for its species. Provide proper humidity. Some plants require higher humidity levels. Consider using a humidifier, pebble tray, or misting the leaves to create a more favorable environment. And there you have it. By identifying the cause and following the appropriate solutions, you can help fix your plant with white leaves. Remember to adjust light conditions, address nutrient deficiencies, treat pests and diseases, and manage environmental factors to ensure your plant